you can use demographic layers to enrich your BI data. Demographic layers are thematic maps that provide additional information about the location, such as spending habits, population, and lifestyles. Demographic layers give you the added insight that you need to make accurate, quick decisions. By providing you with layers that contain information about people, businesses, and other trends, you can easily identify patterns in your data and make the decisions that matter most. The mapping functionality of InfoAssist with the Esri integration through ArcGIS Online supports the most recent demographic and Tapestry segmentation lifestyle information. This includes lifestyle and population-based data and considers trends in areas like spending habits, household income, family size, and more. You can add a demographic layer, all of which are provided by ArcGIS, by clicking Demographic Layers on the Format tab. Using the Layers control, which is also referred to as the table of contents, you can enable or disable the display of any of the layers that you selected for your map, including the layer showing the data in a choropleth or bubble map. This enables you to quickly and easily toggle different scenarios. As you can see, demographic layers add context to your map by allowing you to apply layers that contain invaluable data about people, businesses, spending habits, family income, and any other categories defined by its profile. You can apply or remove these layers as you develop your scenarios, giving you the ability to make quick decisions while reviewing trends in your data. To learn more, visit the WebFocus Knowledge Base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.